Were you trying to get the gun from the guy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on, B. Yeah, I got this babe over here. Where are we at today? Milogarage? No. We're at Sparky's today. We're down here at Sparky's, checking out some rides, checking out some peoples, checking out some babes, checking out the rat car with the tennis balls, keeping the cool air from going down inside there. Oh yeah. This is Sparky's garage here. There's Sparky's old toolbox. Oh man, the stuff this guy's got collected. And this is a real working garage, folks. You got like a formula car stuck up in the ceiling. And another one here just for a spare. You gonna try on Superman's cape in there?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. We'll call him, we need him. Oh, that's what I need in my backyard, standing on the beach. Oh, a statue like that. I like that. Oh no. Oh yeah. Check it out. I'm going to put the link at the bottom of the video here for this project. I worked on this bike right here. And I'm going to put the link right down at the bottom. Right down at the bottom. And I know what went wrong. Remember this guy? Remember this one? Oh yeah, you can't tell nothing's wrong with that paint. You can't tell. You can't tell anything's been done. That's how I do them at Milogarage. But today we're at Sparky's garage.
How did you do today?
And he's got some cool stuff in here to look at. We're just starting our little tour. Oh, dragster. Oh yeah. Sparky's got taste when it comes to mannequins. He's got some cool mannequins. Team Sparky. Oh yeah, look at the little airplane going. Just like in the brochure, folks. There's a hot rod everywhere you turn. Pretty cool, huh?
Wouldn't that be fun to have for Halloween?
Yeah. Oh, everything you'd think about is in here. Hot rods and rock and roll. And the little baby choppers. I gotta pay attention to the screen here. Sorry about that. I'm starting to get distracted. Like a blues brother standing there. That man's all rock and roll right there. Oh, look at Sparky, got some trophies.
Second and 6. Catcher should have been made like it. It wasn't. It's one of the few mistakes the 49ers have made.
Something for the kids. Smile, smile, milkshakes. Look, they got milkshakes. They got milkshakes ready. They got milkshakes. We'll be back. We'll be back. They got milkshakes. Don't forget, check the link at the bottom of the video. You'll see what happened to that bike. Let's go outside for a sec. It's like Disneyland in here. It's like a doggone Disneyland. All right, fellas. Despite the bad back and everything,
and a chocolate milkshake.
Broken cord, broken throttle cable.
You want a super sight? No, it's a small car.
We still made it down here. Oh yeah.
We got the Mopar guys coming through. This is drive-through. Let's skip it to the drive-through.
Oh yeah.
I don't know where you guys know it, but Sparky and the gang, I guess it was Sparky, put together a national cruise night twice. It was a big success. No casualties. No casualties. That's good. No. 200 cars showed up for a cruise night, guys, in San Mateo. They cruised from here to San Mateo. They came back here to Sparky's, and he was generous enough. They had ice cream and popcorn and dancing girls, and I think Sparky was
holy moly.
That's what they said. I don't know exactly what that was.
This is the shiznit right here.
Good on it too. A little different, but I'll tell you. Anyway, how was it home? Good for her. Good for her. You guys are going to have to relax after this. She said Sparky's daughter, or daughter-in-law, Nancy, runs the Sparky's Hot Rod Garage parties and stuff. So you guys, if you want to plan a party, get a hold of Nancy. I got flyers up here. If you want to plan a reunion or a birthday party or just a party to get together for nothing, watch out, Lion. Put that down. I got a hunter right here sitting in the chair.
Oh, I like the old Thunderbird right here.
And he eats what he kills. I wonder what boiled lion's like. Is that like boiled lion? No, London? No, lion boiled or whatever it is. I don't know what it would be. You're gonna have to dehair him. So, is it lion? Okay. Tony, do you want one of these?
Some eye candy, man. Some eye candy. Oh, Corvette.
Thank you for coming to the third annual San Carlos Lions Club car show. Didn't they do a great job today? Let's give them all a big hand.
Oh yeah, air grabber. I had one of these. Never got it done though. I had more car like this. I never got it finished off though.
And all of the San Carlos Lions who came out and helped them. So
Look at the motorcycles over there with the new throttle cable and made it.
we have a couple of clubs also that came out and helped with the events. We'd like to give them a big hand too. And that's the Big U Hunters Point Lions Club. Came all the way from the city and they've been here since 5:30 this morning. As well as we have some members from my club, which is the Burlingame Lions.
So that's what we did is we got out of the garage. Come to make sure that bike looked good for the show.
But just to let
And after that, we're gonna go. You know what? I'm gonna get me a milkshake and get back with you. Enjoy the weekend. We'll talk to you. Bye-bye.